Welcome to this technical expert video on BLDC versus traditional mixers. We will compare the motor technologies and demonstrate how advanced motor technology is transforming the modern kitchen. Traditional AC motor mixers use brushes, resulting in high friction and wear, moderate noise, and high energy efficiency. In contrast, BLDC motor mixers are brushless, offer very high energy efficiency, are quiet, and have low friction. This direct comparison highlights key differences. Traditional mixers rely on carbon brushes, leading to more heat and wear and a moderate noise level. BLDC mixers use brushless technology, resulting in very high energy efficiency, low friction, and significantly quieter operation. The traditional universal motor uses a standard brush design with carbon brushes for mechanical commutation. This design causes high friction, which leads to significant heat loss. Over time, the brushes wear down, which ultimately reduces the motor's life. The BLDC architecture features electronic commutation, replacing brushes with an electronic controller. It uses permanent magnets for rotation, eliminating friction, which means virtually zero wear and tear, leading to a much longer lifespan. Let's break down the efficiency. A 550W BLDC motor delivers the same grinding output as a traditional 1000W motor, resulting in approximately 45% savings in electricity. This lower power consumption also means less heating, protecting internal components for a cooler run. The energy consumption data clearly shows the difference in power input. A traditional mixer requires 1000 watts, whereas a BLDC mixer only needs 550 watts to achieve the same RPM and torque. BLDC technology provides this performance with around 45% less power input. The torque performance curves illustrate the advantage of high torque at low speeds in BLDC motors. Unlike traditional motors, BLDC maintains high torque from 2000 to 18,000 RPM. This is beneficial for hard ingredients, consistent grinding speed, and digital speed precision. In acoustic engineering, the difference is substantial. A traditional mixer operates at 85 decibels, while a BLDC mixer is much quieter at 55 decibels. This significant noise reduction is due to the absence of brush friction and smoother rotation. BLDC mixers are built for longevity. They offer extended motor life because there are no carbon brushes to wear out. The ventless design, supported by efficient cooling, prevents dust entry. Higher reliability comes from fewer moving parts, reducing points of failure in the drivetrain. Modern control systems enhance user experience and safety. Features include jar detection safety sensors and a digital interface with LED indicators for speed and overload. The compact footprint, thanks to smaller motors, allows for sleeker, modern designs. While BLDC mixers have a higher initial cost due to advanced components, they offer a quick 3-year payback. Lower running costs from energy savings cover the price difference. Additionally, there is no maintenance cost related to brush replacements and repairs. In summary, the comparison shows BLDC mixers surpass traditional mixers in energy efficiency, noise level, durability, and consistent torque. Although the initial price is higher, the long-term benefits and advanced features make BLDC mixers the superior choice.